Hi guys, welcome back to the Wagwan Tours. We're outside Foot Locker here in Marmaris. Let's have a look. No, I've got to go. I need to spin you guys around as well. There we go. So yeah, Foot Locker, Marmaris. All the trainers that you might want. You've got your Turkish delights. All your little trinkets and your watches. You got your Sports Direct. Palestine top there. London store. JJ shop. Oh, okay. Yeah. We don't do that side. We're only doing this side. We've done that side already. Yeah, that one's would have been done. So you've got white polo here. Plenty of good t-shirts in there, it looks like. Plenty. Come up to another steakhouse here. So as Sabrina mentioned, the MGM outlets over there. You already know that if you watched the other video. Sam Dan Steakhouse. So in here you can get a special offer, as you can see. Balloon bread, free dips, any soup, any pasta, any pizza. Chicken $14.99, that's 15 quid. It's a good price. You okay? Yeah. You okay? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. No, I have to keep going. I have to working. Yeah.
You like my friend?
Hello guys.
Show your statue.
Oh yeah, nice. How much was that? Oh, bloody hell. Spending good money on that. No, I have to keep working. But yeah, when we come back this way, okay?
Okay, brother.
Thank you, yeah? Thank you. Same to you. I didn't know football was even on. Of course, this one, United Sports Centre. No, nobody's got Southampton. We've got all the other football tops though, because they're popular. No one ever has a football top at Southampton. Even when I used to go to Sports Direct, they never had Southampton tops. I always had to buy from the Southampton shop, or buy online at Southampton shop. Yeah, that's Coco shop, that one. Hello. Yeah, you? Oh, and you got, what's that there? Yala? Oh, it's a little shop. So yeah, when you come to Marmaris, where do you like to shop? Where's your favourite place? Let us know in the comments. I think we're going to go to Ishmael to buy clothes. Because, you know, when you're making these videos and you ask them how much discount can you give? Because we know they're going to give a discount if they want your business and they don't want to answer. It's not really the shop for me then. But straight away, Mr. Cheap in Ishmael, he offered us 20% and he offered you guys 20%. So make sure you get down to Mr. Cheap in Ishmael, because they're doing you can buy a £5 a shirt and a top quality. I just turned it off you. So yeah, these are £5 as well. Let's have a look at the quality on these ones. Oh yeah, these ones are quite nice as well. Boss ones, black versions of it as well. Very nice.
Are they Jamaica football?
No.
Or Southampton?
The only two we want. Thank you.
Quite nice. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Bob Marley. Yeah. Thank you. He's not on holiday. What's this one? Oh yeah, right there. Thank you. Greasy Spoons, British restaurant. Very nice. Come get your nice fry up. And it's full over there. I've been in lots. Thank you though, yeah? I will soon. So, Harold's. It's a play on Harrods, isn't it? Oh, 2-pack for a tenner.
That's kids, isn't it?
Yeah. And then, I don't know what that is, Popeye and stuff. The guy down there with his duck costume on. Maybe we could catch up with him. Very nice little place there, pumping the tunes. It's nice. No sun though. The sun is gone from this side of the road. It's actually quite nice for the walk. I walked the other way a minute ago and I was roasting. Absolutely roasting. Check this geezer out. Very nice clothes. Very nice, mate. So where are we? Gold Marmaris. Oh, okay. At the Migros, Forum Outlet. The old posters up there. Guess it's another extending on for the outlet or something.
Yeah. Yeah, let us know in the comments if you know what they're extending.
Or what they're making, yeah. Something totally different, could be another hotel. Ah, 34 degrees at the moment. And we're just coming up for about 4:30 in the evening. 34 degrees. I love it. It's the outlet centre. There's all the shops then. I thought there'd have been, I think that big sign, well, I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me if it's bigger than what it is. This looks like a sweet shop. Oh, shoes, bags. Yeah. Is that an outlet centre, is it? Forum Outlet. Let me know what's in there, guys, in the comments, because I haven't really got time to go in today. And I won't be back till, depending, we're going to see, like I said, if you're going to tune into one of our lives, yeah, it looks like a big, you know when you got the big Asdas or the big, and they got the George on the side. It's like one of them. But yeah, like I said, we're going to do it live, maybe tomorrow, and we'll let you know our future plans for next year. So if you're watching this, go back, press on the live tab, and you'll be able to see or hear us talk about what we're going to be doing next year. Lady with the corn again. Oh, we've got all the not dragon fruit, no, it's a cactus. Prickly pear. Lots of prickly pears. Let me know if you've tried prickly pear. I know our good friend, Cole's place. He drove up the mountain in Tenerife with his daughter and he got a prickly pear, what was it, an ice lolly? He got a prickly pear ice lolly. So you got the big meat, you got the big Migros there. I don't need no shopping. Like I said, when you pay 70 quid a night for 2 people, dinner, lunch, breakfast, all your drinks. I mean, okay, they don't offer you top shelf. You get gin, vodka, beer, Coca-Cola, lemonade, all the usual. No rum, no whiskey. But, you know, it's enough. It's enough for us anyway. Right, it's turning. So yeah, it's enough for us. Bit of gin, might have actually a gin when I go back. I haven't had one yet. Just been drinking vodka the whole time.
About £2, I think.
Yeah. Why not shop? Any hoodies, tenner, 20 quid, that's really good. They keep putting their decimal point in the wrong place. If you put the decimal point before... Hello mate. Yeah, good, thank you. I'm okay, thank you though. Yeah, so if you put the decimal, help you Turkish people out, if you put the decimal point straight away, then you put the price, that means pennies. So that means 20p. It doesn't mean £20. You just need to leave the decimal point off and put 20, and that'd be £20. So yeah, like they have here, special offer. What's that, a shave? Shave, head massage, ear and waxing. No, it's only a tenner, so I might have to come back for that. The other guy said he'd do it for £5, but I'm guessing it's just going to be my beard. Piercings as well. What do you reckon, guys? Getting my nose pierced? Don't think so. So yeah, another big shopping centre. Oh yeah, cool bar. Sorry, cool car, not bar. So yeah, we are roasting. Bye guys, so yeah. Catch us on the next one, yeah?